I'm just testing. I have to test.
This is another electronic slot, not components like the last two. I'm showing it was a total of $96.18 for this, so hopefully there's at least 300 or so in here, if not more.
Trash box.
Okay, it should be halfway decent.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so Super Joy TV game, complete with the adapter. Adapters almost never come in this stuff.
Some Skull Candy wireless headphones. They look pretty clean.
iDJ to go. I'd say it's new in box, but it's obviously not. But we do have the box, so we'll take it out, make sure it works, and it'll probably become an open box. Unless it's obviously used.
Oh. A real Nintendo one.
That nobody can see. The box is off to the side. We're still trying to figure out the whole table thing, so
Yeah.
forgive us.
Dashboard camera.
Roland MP3 recorder. Well, got it and the instructions and stuff. Hopefully it works. We can't show this because it's a toy
Pew
pew. Oh, yay!
A Watchman. Oh, it's corroded.
Really bad?
Yep, even that's corroded.
Even the antenna's corroded. That's weird.
Yep.
Hey, a blink camera. We
You
can
can
use that
actually use
ourselves.
that. Oh, a Garmin Forerunner.
Another blink camera.
Looks like a fake PlayStation 3 or 2 controller.
Isn't this Turtle Beach?
Yeah,
Or
that's
no?
Turtle Beach.
Turtle Beach headphones. Those usually end up in garage sale pile. But we'll see.
Konami microphone.
The controller part, router, hub part of the Simply Safe. Not Simply Safe, Blink.
Sega Genesis Ultimate Portable Game Player.
Maybe we just start dumping it on the table.
Yeah. One of the Dream Gear things.
Logitech mouse that place your bets now in the comments below whether or not it has
no
the
receiver.
Come on, the unifying receiver. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh!
It almost never has that. Cool.
I'm proud of it. Ooh, this is trash. It's an expanding power bank.
An expanding power bank goes in the
Yeah.
never-ending pile of we have to get rid of
Bombs.
batteries. Yeah, we call them little baby bombs. We probably can't say that.
Oh.
We didn't say that. No clue. SMK. Still no clue. No clue. No clue.
It looks like a corroding Brookstone MP3 player.
Oh, that's trash.
Yep.
Okay, so this, I believe, is a Microsoft 360 to PC receiver. Those actually aren't bad. Jabber headset with the charger. The charger. No way!
It's got the dongle.
Cable. Charger for digital keychain.
Logitech dual action PlayStation controller.
Do you believe it?
There's no way.
receiver. Now this is an off-brand, so ultimately this is trash, but
Yeah.
is that real?
No.
No.
That is
Sad.
fake.
Can I use that to scroll TikTok or something?
Maybe. I don't know.
And
Battery pack for a Wii.
battery pack for a week. And some various cables. Alright, what we're going to do is go ahead and clean all this, check and see if it works, and then we'll go over what worked and what didn't. Alright, let's start over here. The middle one, slider, doesn't have a detent anymore, so it's probably become disconnected. It's only worth $20, so this is in the trash pile?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, trash pile. This has fully corroded contacts, so it's in the trash pile. Corroded, trash pile. Whatever this is, trash pile, because whatever this is. As much as I'd like to play these, this doesn't move. It's completely seized. Normally we take it apart and have a look. It's most likely not worth it. We'll do a final check just to be sure. Probably not worth it though. So this is all trash. This one, this mouse with the unifying receiver, the mouse isn't worth anything, but the unifying receiver is, because we receive mice all the time that don't have the receiver. So this is worth $5 to $10 trying to get an extra one. So we keep that. Lightning cable, we don't have those very often. Okay, these two controllers, they go in the endless box, okay, overflowing box of controllers that we use to basically make complete systems. What do we have over here? This does work, yes. We're going to say this works because there's no reason for it not to, and probably works. Probably works. We would test it, but what we're going to do is, there's someone we know that wants a wireless keyboard, so that's going to them. Their son wants one of these, so it's going to him. And these are probably going to be either used here or tossed. I'm not sure yet. These are going to be used here. We'll use these at home. I think these go for, what, $30 to $40 a piece? Something like that for the indoor ones. We're going to say this works. We'll probably end up keeping it. If not, we'll make sure it works and then sell it. What is this here for?
I don't know.
Oh, that's right. We had other things that we hadn't done yet. Okay. Konami microphone. Still sealed. No reason to say that it doesn't work. We tested this. It does work, and it is one of the Nintendos. The Roland R05 does work. And the Garmin Forerunner 305 is the only thing in this that did not come with a charger. That makes me sad. I'll have to look it up, see if it's worth getting a charger for it to test it out. It still had the magic cover on it. Oh, made a boo-boo. This would be classified as a garage sale item, since they don't sell for like 15, 20 bucks at the most on eBay. And this is a garage sale item. Alright, we check these. They work, they turn on, they charge, Bluetooth works, and they sound good. Actually, my son's saying he's trading them out with his... Anyway, okay. And this little guy works. So hopefully I put comps on the screen for the stuff that worked at least. And until next time, thanks for watching. Is that a button? No. This is horrible.